Bird Sanctuary. On Sunday afternoons on my daddy's lap, holding the Tribune, he taught me how to read the comic strip. Then we would sit and take a trip. Maybe I need to explain before I begin. My daddy was part Indian. In the living room on Sunday afternoons, after reading the Tribune comic, we would begin our trip in the trees with the birds and the bees, pollinating the flowers for hours and hours. The birds would take flight until the early night. Then sometimes, in my daddy's brain, he knew it was gonna rain. And not for pretend, because my daddy was part Indian. As I got older and time ticked by, my daddy would talk about how wild parakeets fly. My green birds were only caged to give sex when he retired. In the same living room. He would be free to flutter, sing, and dance with the Joshua tree. He said birds would flock to his bird sanctuary. You see, insight was innate, and nature was his friend. Remember, my daddy was part Indian. And as he predicted, months after he retired, he was free, ashes to ashes, planted under that Joshua tree. Today, now many, many miles away, I can see my backyard treetops sway. Ancestral winds, they blow my way. The smell of rain decreases my pain. Wild parakeets fly and they squawk and they talk with daddy's spirit on their wings, dropping me blessings from Indians. Spiritual gravity shaping my nativity, freeing, singing, and believing. I hear whispers from my daddy. You see, he is now green in my backyard, now our bird sanctuary.